Hey everyone, it's Christine Breckenridge, founder and profit strategist with Avant TaxWorks. And in today's episode of Whine Over Taxes, we are whining about Form 1099 Miscellaneous. This form can be difficult to know whether or not you need to issue one or what to do if you receive one. So, if you are a small business owner or if you own a rental property and you utilize subcontractors that perform services for your business, you may need to issue them a 1099 miscellaneous. You would request to have them fill out a Form W-9, and this provides their information such as their name, their address, and their social security number or EIN. They also indicate what their entity is. So if they are a sole proprietor, a single member LLC, or a partnership, you may need to issue them the form. If they are a corporation or they've elected to be taxed as an S corporation, you do not need to issue them that form. Best practice is to get a W-9 when you start working with a subcontractor and not try to chase them at the end of the year. Another thing to consider is how you pay them. So if you utilize a credit card or a third-party processing company, you do not need to issue them a Form 1099. So if it's cash or check, you would then need to issue them the form if it was over $600. The other thing to be cognizant of is check your states. All the states have different requirements for 1099, so you want to make sure that you're compliant with that as well. The federal penalties for either late filing or failure to file can range from $50 to $550 per form. So it's really important that you're compliant with this piece. But as you can tell, it can be really difficult to know if you need to send them a form. I always say err on the side of caution. You're not going to necessarily mess anything up if you need to send a form, or if you do so and you don't need to. And there's tons of companies and third parties out there that can assist you with the preparation of the form. You can also buy the forms at a local office supply store, and of course we offer that service as well. So that is all for when you should issue one. Like I said, tons to know. So the other part is, what if you get one? So if you receive a 1099 miscellaneous, you need to report it on your individual income tax return. If you are a Schedule C reporter, or if you have a business as an S Corp or corporation, you should not receive one. However, a lot of times the amounts are not the exact same, so you always just want to report what you have on your books and make sure you're reporting all your income. There's sometimes timing difference in things, but the 1099 miscellaneous is to make sure that the IRS can kind of match up and make sure that you are reporting all your income. The other myth I hear all the time is that people feel like because they didn't make over $600 and they didn't receive a form that they do not need to include that income on their tax return. That is false. You always need to report all your taxable income, whether or not you receive that form. So we are whining over that form. Those forms are due to the recipient by January 31st. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Cheers.